This video is a basic guide on how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners. But first, a question. Why start affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way of earning money online by promoting other people's products. It's a great way to start a business because you can start with little or no capital. You don't need to have your products, and you don't need to handle customer inquiries. Your only job is to promote other people's products. How do you make money with affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing in which a business rewards the affiliate for bringing customers to its website. The affiliate receives a percentage of every purchase as a commission. Commissions can be as low as 1% or can exceed 50%. It all depends on the product or service you're promoting. Physical products have lower commissions. Digital products have higher commissions. How do you get started? There are 5 basic steps to get started making money with affiliate marketing. Step 1. Sign up with an affiliate program or network. Affiliate programs or networks are like shopping malls. They showcase thousands of products in hundreds of popular niches and specialty sub-niches. Popular niches are often referred to as evergreen niches. That's because they remain popular regardless of the economy or changes in fashion or trends. They are also the most competitive niches. You probably know a few already: health, weight loss, fitness, and beauty, relationships and dating, money and finance, animals, in particular, dogs and cats, and technology, gadgets, and games. Step 2. Choose your niche and sub-niche. Once you know your broad niche, you should drill down to a smaller sub-niche. Sub-niches are less competitive. Examples of popular but less competitive sub-niches include handmade items, trendy t-shirts and jeans, eco-friendly products, unique beauty products, and gadgets. The idea is to find a sub-niche that people spend money in. Step 3. Find products that people want to buy. Once you have chosen a sub-niche, next, you need to select products that are in demand. You will make money if you choose products that sell well but aren't super competitive. It's essential to promote products that people want to buy. Otherwise, you will have difficulty making a profit. An example of this would be handmade jackets for cats. If you run a keyword search for this phrase, you will find no one is searching for this. But there is a demand for jackets for cats, as well as for life jackets for cats. So choose your sub-niche and products carefully. Choose products people are looking to buy. Step 4. Promote the products. You can promote products using free traffic methods. Some popular ways include writing blog posts, posting on a YouTube channel, email lists, social media posts, and groups. If you have a budget, then you can use paid traffic methods. For example, advertising on Google AdWords or Facebook ads. You can get fast results with paid ads, but you need a budget. And it would help if you learned how the ad platform works. This takes time and money. Step 5. Track and measure results. For paid traffic, in particular, you need to monitor your results. Make sure you are making a profit, or, at least breaking even. You should do this for your free traffic efforts as well. The idea is to use your time and energy most profitably. Next, consider the qualities you need to succeed and make money with affiliate marketing. A good affiliate marketer has qualities like an interest in business and money, patience and perseverance, good research skills, comfortable working alone, manages their time well, and a burning desire to succeed. Final words. Starting a business takes time and planning. This applies to affiliate marketing. It's best to start in your spare time, without any pressure to make money for everyday needs like rent, food, etc. Take time to learn the business. Invest in yourself. Buy some courses. When you feel confident and relaxed, then your mind is clearer. With a clear mind, you solve problems faster, and results come more quickly. You enjoy the progress. Like this video and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online.